effect from this afternoon to Wednesday morning for the Kentucky River at Lockport Lock. At 30 feet, parts of Eagle Creek Campground, between Worthville and Perry, flood along Kentucky 355. At 33 feet, low-lying roads near the river along and west of Kentucky 355 flood. Additional details, at 3:30 p.m. Sunday the stage was 32.5 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight to a crest of 33.8 feet late Monday night. Flood stage is 33 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to the previous crest of 34.5 feet on February 13, 2019. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio and your local media for the latest information. Additional information is available at www.weather.gov/lmk. The next statement will be issued by late Monday morning.